Now here's part 2. And in part 2 we have one corner done. And we're getting on to stick. And we just put a corner in. And now we have to get an small edge piece, and then stick it in right there. Then you take an regular size edge piece. Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. And stick it in just like that, without knocking out the inner edge piece. There. And now you take an inner edge piece and stick it in right there. Then another one. Stick it in right there. And now we need to fill in another corner. So first I have to figure out, since the center cap popped off and you can't put them back on until it's reassembled. Mostly, I have to see which one that is. Okay, so this is the red side. So I need to take a red edge piece, which is here. Yeah, sometimes when you take this cube apart for the first time, the center caps pop off. Then you take an inner edge piece and slide it in. Then take another inner edge piece and slide it in at the top. Now I think I can put the center cap back on. Here it is. There. Yep. Because sometimes, never mind. Then you take two corners. Yellow and... Well, actually, just wait. First, you take two inner corners and stick them in. And then take two smaller edge pieces. Stick those ones in. Now you take two smaller edges. Then stick them in. And then you take two corners. And here's one. Stick it in right there. And now the other one. Stick it in. And then you got one side. Now you put the one side down on the bottom. And take this edge piece. The inner edge piece. Smaller edge piece. Stick it in right there. And then an inner corner. Put that down there. And then turn it around. And another inner corner. And put it in. Then you take this edge and regular edge piece. Where is it? This edge piece. An edge piece. Then stick it. And then stick the edge piece in. And then take an inner edge piece and put it right slide it right in there. You're gonna take another inner edge piece and slide it in there. And now you take two inner corners and stick them in. And stick the other one in. Then take a smaller edge piece and stick it in. Then you take a regular size edge piece, this one, and stick that in. Then you take two inner edge pieces, stick the first one in right here, and then the other one right here. What the? Oh, knocked off the center cap. And now you've got the 3 layers done. Next, you take just any edge piece. Wait, this is which side? Oh, this is the green side. And get any edge piece, stick it in the slot, and put it in the right place. Take an inner edge, slide it in. Another inner edge, slide that in. Then you've got one of the edges done. Then you take 2 corners. The last 2 black corners for me. Might be other color for you. If you didn't do it. And then stick them in. Oh, no, wait. First you take 2 inner corners. I keep on doing it wrong. Then stick them in. Then take 2 small edge pieces. Fit them in. Take 2 more smaller edge pieces and put them in. Then you take the 2 regular corners and put them in. Now I've got 2 sides done. Then you move over here. Put it for the newest side done on the ground, face down on the table. Then take in small edge piece, fit that in right there. 2 inner corners, stick them in like that. Then take 1 edge piece and stick it in like that. And take 2 inner edge pieces, stick them down like that. Put one on and slide it down. And then you take 1 small edge piece, stick it in, take 2 inner corners, slide one over here, slide one over here, and over here. Over here. Then you take one edge piece, then stick it in, and you're going to need to click on link in the description for the rest of the video.